Good afternoon, my name is Billy Ray Dawson. I'm from Leeton, Alabama, and I want to show you the product that is made here at Dawson's Distillery, of which is made out of some of the best mountain spring water I've ever known. And most of my uncles that made whiskey back here in this mountain always wanted to make whiskey out of this stream water, but it was just too close to everybody. Anyway, it is a product that we're very proud of and hope to be making for many years to come. This spring up here that I make this out of, I have dug up numerous boxes of, well, about 3 boxes of Indian artifacts and stuff right here below the spring, which tells me that people have been using this water right here for probably thousands of years. The cave, of which is known as LaGrange rock shelter, is right around from the spring. It is dated back to like 11,000 and something years ago. It is known as the oldest known dwelling east of the Mississippi River. So everybody's probably got ancestors that either came to this spot at one time or has the genetics of the minerals from this spring in their bloodstream because of their ancestors drinking from it. This mountain is what the old Indian chief that was here before when they was leading them off to take part in the Trail of Tears called Spirit Mountain. And apparently there must be something to it, because he told them that what they was doing to him that day would be done to them. And 30 years later, the Union troops rolled through here and burned everything on this mountain and run everybody off. And there's nobody really done anything here except build a park for the college that used to be there. And we're hoping that our little distillery here will bring about a little bit of recognition for the mountain and the history of the mountain. And as it'll tell you on the back of the bottle here, it cures all aches, pains, dull care, and makes an ace sometimes look like 2 pairs.